Hi everyone, thank you for joining me with in my garden today. So today it's very hot. It's about probably 100 here today, and I have things to do. You can see I'm working, or I have been working in this area of the side of our house where the stairs and in this where the stairs are. You can see this area is under the in the shade under this beautiful viburnum. In fact, I've been trimming a little bit and spraying, make sure there is no spider mites on them and stuff. It has never been watered or anything like that, so I'm just starting to develop in this area. Hopefully I can start watering everything else plus the trees, and hopefully they will do even better as we go. But we cleaned out. You can see I've been digging this area. I got this far. I've gone a little bit towards there, and it's really hot today, but my hydrangeas really have to go into the soil today, have to be planted. So anyway, I started and I dug about there. So what I think I have to do is still go around like that, still have to dig under this tree and maybe just cut an area like this, because that other side I still have no idea how to proceed or what we are doing with that. So that's a later projects, um, with probably with the bigger machineries and stuff, honestly. But for this area, at least I can get things done. And I just wanted to update you with the everything that we've planted before. It looks really nice. Everything is coming together. The roses are starting to mature. Crepe myrtles are getting their beautiful red color to them. Photinias are doing good. Everything is doing good. I need to mulch, or I have to bring some more compost and cover on this side of it. Let's just take a look. It's very hot. I've just kind of been hidden in the shade there, but let's just take a look. It's really pretty. You can see all the beautiful geranium roseannes are blooming here. They're looking good. Roses have several buds on them now, and has gorgeous blooms on them. It's such a beautiful rose. Honestly, I didn't think it was as beautiful until I'm really appreciating it even more since they're maturing and looking beautiful. So salvias are starting to bloom, maturing, looking really nice. I'm very pleased. Even just as little limelights are doing really good here. So in this area, I went ahead and planted some geraniums, hoping, actually just last night. So I'm hoping for them to start acclimating and start spreading, just to have a nice ground cover. And then what I'll do is just cover it really nice compost and just let that be, because there's nothing really I can do under the trees there. Ground cover will be perfect. So anyway, this is what's going on here. Everything is looking really good. Containers I still have to plant. Hopefully next video I'll go ahead and plant the containers. And here, so I have been digging, started on that side, start digging all the way here. You can see we removed a ton of rocks. It's so many. I've been working with the pick, shovels, I mean, whatever I could get hold of, trying to get this area down. So I'm about right there, and I just need to go around all the way, and then I'll show you what I'm trying to do here. But in this side, I can go ahead and plant my hydrangeas. So we went to Lidl. This is I don't know, I think we have Lidl in the US as well. But anyway, I found these gorgeous hydrangeas. They were so inexpensive. It's like about $6.50 a piece. And usually in the garden center, they're about 25 euros. So I was really excited to find them. And I really didn't know where they were going to go. I figured probably I was going to plant them up there by the pergola because it's a dappled sun. I think they would do really well there. But I decided to plant them here. I have 4 containers. So what I'm going to do today, let me explain. We went to one of our local growers in town, and I asked them if they could sell me acidic soil, because my goal is to plant them in the containers and have them stay blue because I'm so tired of trying. So we have alkaline soil. All my hydrangeas come out pink, even when I purchase the blue ones. So no matter what I do, it takes a long time, but I really haven't had success. And sometimes, I get very busy and I don't really, keep applying what I need to apply. So anyway, this area here is, I have gorgeous colors of red, yellow, blue, and so I will have probably copper colors here. So I am really excited to have blue hydrangeas. Now I hope we explained with our broken French as much as possible. We communicated, and I hope we understood each other. So we purchased acidic soil. And one other thing that he was telling us about, which was very interesting, was that slate rocks are actually making soil acidic. And I noticed when we were purchasing our acidic soil from them, we noticed that there was lots of broken slate rocks mixed into the soil. So anyway, what I think I will do, try this soil, and I hope that this will work. You never know until you try everything, but I'm holding my breath. And this is kind of an interesting area because although right now it's a shade, this area stays in the shade pretty much most of the day. And then in the afternoon, about 5 o'clock, there is an afternoon sun that comes here briefly, not very long, but it's a hot afternoon sun. So I'm hoping that the hydrangeas will stay okay. Their containers are quite big. I'm hoping that I will cover them well and keep them moist and hydrated, and hopefully they will do well. But my goal is to have a blue hydrangeas here because it will be beautiful with my yellow roses and so on and so on. So these are my blue hydrangeas. One has been affected from the heat. This one it's plenty of hydrated, but it's really curled up and it hasn't been doing. I think it's ready to just come out of this container. And what I did, I brought them and I kind of put them around, and I thought it was shade all the time. That's when I realized they got a hot sun. So this guy got affected a bit, and ever since it keeps being very affected by sensitive to the heat. So these other ones have been doing okay. So this one I think I'm going to plant right here because this is the most shady area. And the other ones, I think I will go the other way. So hopefully this will work out. I'll keep my eye on it and see. I might get some slate rocks and maybe just cover really well. Hopefully, when I'm finished with everything, the containers, nobody will even see the containers. I'm hoping it's not even going to be visible. So anyway, that's the idea. So we'll go ahead and plant this and get them into the ground. All I'm going to do is basically these 4 bags here are supposed to be acidic soil. So what I'm going to do is, he said, just mix the soil with some manure, and then I also have biotone fertilizer here, mycorrhizum, which I'm going to mix in the soil. Hope that hydrangeas will do well and stay blue. We'll see. They are quite large containers, so I'm hoping they will be here for like long period of time and still get really big. so here we go. I planted all the hydrangeas. Now I think I'm going to keep watering them throughout this evening, even a couple of more times, just to make sure they really hydrated, because the soil was very dry. It takes a couple of times to really take on and get all the soil moist really well. So anyway, they will take them a little bit to acclimate, because you can see some of them are not doing too good. The soil was warm, but I think it will be okay. Anyway, we'll go up there, and maybe we can show you the view from up from the terrace, because it looks really pretty. I hope this works out. I'm really hoping that this will work. The idea will work out, but you never know. I have faith that it's going to work out. So we'll see how they do. We'll update you guys, but I think this area is starting to come together really, really well. I'm very excited. I have lots of fun getting this area developed. But this is how it's been my entire garden, literally from section by section like this, working hard and clearing out and having new ideas, and being creative. It's just so much fun. It's hard work, but it's so much fun. I love hearing from all of you guys. Please message me, let me know what you think of these ideas, and it's really nice to be connected with all of you. So, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos if you like them, and have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.